Hi everyone, it's Jessica Picconi-Cook, the Executive Director for PSA Ford. We are gearing up for this year's state conference at Spooky Nook Sports near Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we are so excited for this new venue. One of the most asked questions we get this time of the year after registration is, my district needs another copy of my invoice, how do I access that? So I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how you can actually pull that up and print it yourselves using your user profile. So once you are logged in, you will do so at the top part here. You would have needed to be logged in to create your registration form. All you do is come down here to Quick Links, click on My Profile. That'll bring you over to your profile page. A lot of cool things to access. But for today, we're going to hover over the My Profile tab, click on Invoices, and it will show any invoice that you have remaining on here. So you can click on those tabs, pull it open, and there's your invoice. So if you have any other questions or there's anything else that we can do, please don't hesitate to reach out through email or through the phone number. Our office number is 412-407-3301. I hope this has been helpful and looking forward to seeing you all at Spooky Nook December 5th and 6th this year.